Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar index, we made that nice push up yesterday, and the fact that it made a higher low tells me that it could be part of an ABC correction, because we still suspect that this possibly is the end of a correction on the daily. If that's the end of a correction on the daily, then maybe this is a wave one, the first push down, and maybe this is an ABC correction right here. So I am definitely still looking at this as possibly being a correction. So if we do go up to a Fibonacci level, if we do make like a very aggressive turn to the downside at a fib level, I definitely would still take it as a short, likely like the end of a wave two. So I'm watching the 50%, I'm watching the 61%. If we get like a nice engulfing down, especially if it's like engulfing down with a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, then that would be the next shorting opportunity I would be looking for via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.